Hey guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we gonna see how to add login and sign up page before checkout. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. And now, let's say you have an e-commerce website, and when your customers want to buy a product and the customer adds the product to the cart and proceeds to checkout, instead of showing the checkout page, you want your customers to be taken to login page where they can log in and create account on your site. So to complete the purchase of your product, they must log in or sign up to your site. So in order we can do this in few simple steps. So let's get started. So firstly, in order to add the login page before the checkout, we need to enable account creation on your website. So once you enable your account creation, the sign up form will be added to your site. So let's see how can we add it, enable it. So to enable it, go to the dashboard. So this is our WordPress dashboard, and here go to the WooCommerce section, and here go to the settings. So here we can do this. So here go to the accounts and privacy section of your WooCommerce settings, and then scroll down, and then here you can find an option called as enable your customers to account creation button. Like once you create your checkout page and all, you'll get that option here. So once you're done enabling that, click on save changes in order to make sure that your changes have been saved. So then now let's go to the step 2, that is to install a plugin in order to add our login and sign up page before the checkout. So let's in order to add the plugin, let's go to the dashboard, and here you can scroll down until you find the plugin section. Click on the plugins and go to the add new plugin. In order to add a new plugin, install a new plugin, and here let's search for a plugin called as WooCommerce Force Authentication. So let's do it. Force So you'll find this plugin here. So this plugin will help us to create and login and sign up page before our checkout in the WooCommerce website. So let's install this plugin. So once this plugin gets installed, we can activate it so that it gets successfully installed on our WordPress. So now we have successfully installed the plugin, and then now our login page will be added to the website. So if the user has already an account on your website, so that user will be able to log in, and if he doesn't have, he can register or sign up to your website, and then so now your customers can go ahead and purchase the product from your website. So if there are any new customers, they can purchase your product by registering to the form that will be provided in the checkout section, and or else if your customer is an old customer and already have a credentials for your login, so he can log in through the credentials that he has during the time of registration. So now let's say you want to change the look of your login and sign up forms and have a different style which looks more attractive. So in order to do this, we need to install a plugin. So to install the plugin, we go to the plugins and click on add new plugin in order to add a new plugin to our WordPress website. And let's search for a plugin called as login sign up pop-up. So it's login / sign in pop-up. So this is your login sign in pop-up, and here you can just click on install in order to install this. So once it gets installed, you can click on activate, and then now this plugin has been successfully installed into your WordPress. So now in order to change the look of your forms, firstly we need to go to the plugins, and here we can find the settings of the plugin which we have just installed now, that is our sign up and login pop-up. So let's click on the settings of this, and here we go. So we can go to the style section in order to make changes to our login and sign up forms. So here you can, if you scroll down, you can find the color. So once let's have a walkthrough through all the settings. So firstly the pop-up position, where the pop-up has to occur, top, middle. So and then we have the pop-up width. So you can choose the pop-up width and your height, and the pop-up padding you can choose, and you can choose the background color. So you can have different background colors. So you can just click here and you can choose different colors, and you can choose the color that you wish for your forms, and then you can choose the text color, and then you can choose that whether the sidebar we need to remove the sidebar, or you want to select the sidebar image, and you can upload the image from the media. And then now in the form, so this is all for the pop-up, and then here we have for the form. So here we can choose our tab background color, so from here, and then here we have active tab background color and tab text color, and here active tab text color. So you can customize your forms as much as possible from these options. So your button design, you can choose the button designs, or let it be custom, or use theme button design and colors. So you can make it anything, like it's all up to you, and it's all about your relevancy. And then your choice, and then here you have button background color you can choose, and button text color, and your button border. So this is the color code, and these are the pixels. And then your button height, you can choose it here, and your form fill styles, you can manage them, like it's all about your wish. So you can manage them. You do have another set of customizable options here, like your icon size, icon container width, border, field bottom margin, and many others. So once you're done with this, you can just click on save changes, and then once you're done with these settings also, you can just click on save changes, and here too you can save the settings that you have done. So now your settings are saved, and this is all how you can create your login or sign up page for your website before the checkout. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.